Kain tayo. Tanghalian na. Mm. 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 Hello guys, for eating. Yun. Ba, ano yun? Ha? Meron susi ah. Meron susi ka dyan.
Binigay ko kabandi.
Tulog ang tanda.
Matundok na yung matanda. Ganito pala ang pera nila. Ang laki na.
1,000.
Ang daming pera binigay sa lula mo.
Mm.
Bandi, can I borrow the key, bebe? Because I forgot the key in our room. Be, boy, can I borrow my key?
Guys, saan yung ano mo doon? Aalis kaya?
Ang sandet?
Saan yung...
Iwan ko sa'yo. Nandun lahat sa may tubig.
Ha?
Nandun lahat sa may tubig.
It's a family group.
Mm. Adula, you love this hotel? Ha?
Who are you talking to?
I'm talking to you.
Who bought this painting? It's weird.
It's weird.
It smells bad.
Hmm?
The painting smells bad.
Smells bad? There is smell. What did you eat? Who ate umapol? Abdullah, you like the hotel? Abdullah, you like the hotel? Huh?
Auntie, come. Agandari. Can you help me?
A boundary? Can you help me?
Agandari.